How are you?
I'm good, Mickey. How are you?
Very, very well.
So good
So,
to see you after so many years.
almost how many? 20? 25? God knows.
10, 10.
10 years. Okay, 10
Yeah,
years.
yeah. You're still as young, still as fit, energetic as you used to be. So
Oh, you too. You too. Of course, you too.
thank you so much, Mickey. So, Mickey, thank you so much for joining us. It's a huge honor for us, especially for me personally, and privilege
Hmm.
that you accepted our request to be on our show. We are
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
not just like a 3 months old startup. And,
Hmm.
thank you so much, Mickey, for giving
Thank
us
you.
this honor and privilege.
Thank you so much too. And look, I'm wearing green.
Wow, that's the
All
wedge
right.
edge. So actually, I will quickly put the title of the show. I actually forgot to do that.
Hmm.
And the title is, of course, Dr. Mickey Mehta's Wedge
Veg
Edge. So today we're
edge.
going to talk about everything vegetarian and plant-based.
Wow.
So, but before that, Mickey, everybody already knows about you, but I'll just take a few minutes to do a short introduction of yours.
Please.
I'll have to read it out because you have so many accolades to you. Uh,
Please.
so,
Please.
as you are aware, Dr. Mickey Mehta is the global leading holistic guru and a corporate life coach. And he's got many accolades. He's earned many accolades through his illustrious career, not only in India, but also globally. He's the recipient of the Health and Wellness Icon of India Award by Economic Times and is amongst the 100 most impactful wellness leaders of the world, as announced at the Global Wellness Conclave 2018. He's the author of two very successful books, The Shunyam Quotient and Lose Weight, Gain Shape, and we are giving out one of these books to the contest winners today.
Good.
He's the first expert to introduce fitness and wellness on radio, television, and print media. He's the holistic health guru and life coach to Miss India's, Bollywood celebrities, top politicians, India Inc. billionaires, and members of the Maharashtra Police. He's credited with pioneering the concept of equipment-free green workouts in India. He also introduced the concept of learn swimming in 24 hours, which put him in the Limca Book of World Records. He's the only Indian to have an honorary double doctorate in holistic health and life sciences for integrated medicines. He has a rare distinction of training the police, the army, the navy, and the air force. He's also been invited to speak at the Harvard University, IITs, and IIMs. And he also recently joined to support the Government of India's Fit India movement. So overall, he's an author, a poet, a philosopher, the brand, the institute, the legendary Dr. Mickey Mehta, who gets you energized, naturalized, optimized, maximized, wellness revolutionized, and gets you Mickey-mized. Mickey, did I say that correctly? Because you are an expert in that.
Of course, you said it with so much of love and concern and care. That is most important of everything. So, you know what vegetarian does to you is it makes you very sympathetic, empathetic, compassionate. That's the key thing because when you are on a plant-based diet, when you eat vegetarian, go green, Sattva Gun comes up. Sattva Gun is the righteousness. In the righteousness, you know, you're benevolent, you're forgiving, you're caring, you're loving, you're sharing. And, you know, you're in the flow, you're in the rhythm. But vegetarianism doesn't necessarily mean loads of cheese, loads of pizzas, veg pizzas, loads of veg burgers, loads of pasta, penne, spaghetti. That is not true essential vegetarianism. Vegetarianism
Absolutely.
is food that is alive. So my Go Green movement is for food that is alive. And that food which is alive gives you the life force. It energizes and stimulates your elements. And the ratio of the elements is maintained. And it keeps you calm, cool, collected. It gives you intelligence and wisdom. So let's say an apple, banana, fruits, vegetables, they grow in the farms and the fields, orchards. They literally experience and witness the cycles of all the seasons and weathers, climates. They also experience and witness the planetary movements. They take the purest of sunlight. They take the purest of water from the top, and then when it goes down, it gets further distilled. in the earth. And the purest of air and purest of ether. And in the lap, in the womb of the earth, they grow and they are intelligent. And that intelligence is imprinted on our DNA, our mind, our spirit, our soul software. And this intelligence makes who we are, what we are. It translates into building characters and personalities.
Absolutely, Mickey. I completely agree with that. I'm a hardcore vegetarian since birth. And yes, I used to have egg also earlier, but I've given up on egg as well. But, you know, Mickey, before we get into like a formal conversation of ours, you know, I have like a couple of things to tell our viewers. So, you know, with your permission, Mickey, if I can get
Please,
1
please.
minute. Yeah,
Of
okay,
course,
great.
of course.
So, so Mickey, you know, as we discussed, I'll keep this conversation in Hindi and English both because, of course, you know, Hindi.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इजाजत है.
Okay. Okay, great, Mickey. So, कल Dr. Mickey Mehta की 59th birthday थी, and he also completed 50 glorious years of yoga. So, Mickey, congratulations from all of us, and we wish you a very happy birthday. And may you keep inspiring us like you have always done. You know, very motivating and very inspirational. So, we keep looking forward to your posts that you do. Secondly, you know, not many of the viewers are aware that I've had the privilege to be personally trained under Dr. Mickey Mehta at the Miss India pageant. That was like 10 years ago. But Mickey, I must tell you that, you know, whatever discipline, the good habits that you actually instilled in me are very much there. I still have a habit of getting up at 5 in the morning, starting my day with my workout and having warm water, Giloy water, whatever, you know. So thank you so much. I have immense respect for you for, you know, kind of instilling those good habits in me.
Thank you.
And yeah, thirdly, I just want to let everybody know that we're also running a contest, and you just have to, it's a very simple contest. आपको सिर्फ जाके एक पोस्ट पे अपनी favorite healthy vegetarian dish की फोटो या वीडियो डालना है और मिक्की डॉक्टर मिक्की मेहता और वेग्स अप को टैग करना है एंड आज कॉन्टेस्ट एंड हो रहा है शाम को 4 बजे और आप सब लोग प्लीज इसको कॉन्टेस्ट में भाग लीजिए और हमें टैग कीजिए एंड 10 लाख participants stand a chance to win Dr. Mickey Mehta's bestseller, Lose Weight, Gain Shape. So, yeah, that's what. And of course, please do follow Dr. Mickey Mehta's social media pages, especially Instagram, because he keeps posting a lot of inspirational and motivational stuff. And you will gain a lot of knowledge to lead a better life.
Thank you.
Great. So, Mickey, we'll quickly get to our discussion now. It is all about vegetarianism and holistic health. So, मिकी क्योंकि वेग्स अप जो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है ये भी वेजिटेरियनिज्म और प्लांट बेस्ड डाइट को प्रमोट करता है सो ऑफ कोर्स मेरा जो पहला क्वेश्चन है इट हैज टू बी अराउंड द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग अ वेजिटेरियन डाइट बिकॉज आप खुद भी हार्डकोर वेजिटेरियन है मिकी एंड यू नो यू आर सच अ बिग एक्सपर्ट in promoting a vegetarian diet. It is always nice to know such things from a person like you. So आप you know क्या बताना चाहेंगे कि क्या benefits हैं vegetarian diet के especially you know इस समय जब इतना pandemic फैला हुआ है Mickey you know when you know the disease actually they say that originated from animals. So how is it that you know people should concentrate more on eating healthy and vegetarian food? You know we are not really anti non-vegetarians, but we just like to talk about the positives and benefits of following a vegetarian diet. So Mickey, अगर आप कुछ उस पे बता सके हमारे सारे viewers को.
So I want to tell you that when you talk about nutrition, let's talk about first diet. So diet is actually passe, nutrition is in, okay, and nutrition is everything that nourishes you. So what all nourish you? And it's a fundamental to life is breath. So breath nourishes you. So quality of air. Then second fundamental element of life is heat. Sunshine nourishes you. Also sunshine gives you a lot of wisdom, intelligence, creativity, inspiration. Then of course earth nourishes you, so food. But before food, meditation nourishes you, prayer nourishes you, exercise nourishes you, positive cheer, love nourishes you, helping someone, bringing a smile on the face nourishes you, a massage nourishes you, then food nourishes you. So, and talking about food, vegetarianism is about first cleansing and purifying. remaining clean. So vegetables are great cleansers. Fruits are great healers. Nuts, seeds, roots are great fortifiers. Herbs, nuts, seeds, roots are great fortifiers. Why do we want to become a graveyard for animals?
Correct.
When we can eat food full of life force, that which gives life and that which speaks out of you, expresses, because the same life force expresses out of you. And as I said, vegetarian diet keeps you clean from inside, your physiology, biology, your biochemistry, because meat eating is toxic. So whether it is Cornell, Harvard, Stanford, none of them have published any papers in the medical journals to say that meat eating is healing in nature. But there are millions of articles and studies and researches that fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, roots are very healing in nature. So vegetarian diet heals you. So whatever heals you is good for health. Not about buying and popping vitamins from the shelf. They have nothing to do with health. Health is healing. All that heals you naturally. So when you say health food, it has to be natural.
Okay. So and Mickey, also vegetarians को हमेशा ये concern रहता है कि हमें adequate protein नहीं मिल रहा है, because we have this misconception that protein you can only get from non-vegetarian food. So how is it? And I personally believe that it's a misconception because I'm a vegetarian myself, and I feel there are a lot of natural sources and vegetarian sources for protein. So आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे ऐसे कुछ फूड जो लोगों को मे बी इतनी मतलब दाल और बीन्स, सोया ये सब पता है, बट इसके अलावा और भी कुछ ऐसे फूड्स हैं मिकी जो विच आर वेरी हाई ऑन प्रोटीन, लाइट ऑन स्टमक, हाई ऑन प्रोटीन, ऐसा कुछ है जो आप बताना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, अपने देसी गाय का घी, A2 काउ जिसको बोलते हैं, जो खुले में चरती है,
करेक्ट,
जिसको अब्यूज नहीं किया जाता है, जिसकी हम पूजा कर सकते हैं और पूजा करनी चाहिए, तो देसी गाय का घी, उसका दूध, उसका दही, उसकी छाछ बहुत अच्छा होता है। फिर हमारे इतने नट्स एंड सीड्स फैमिली है, इतने नट्स एंड सीड्स हैं, फिर लेग्यूम्स हैं, फिर स्प्राउट्स हैं, फिर ऑफ कोर्स इट इज सेड दैट उड़द दाल इज सो स्ट्रांग, इट्स लाइक आयरन। हमारे जो राजमा है, हमारे जो घोड़े के चने हैं, घोड़े वो चने को क्यों खाते और पसंद करते हैं? बिकॉज ऑर्गेनिकली हॉर्सेस लव दैट हॉर्स ग्राम्स, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत पोटेंट ताकत होती है। सफेद चनों में बहुत ताकत होती है। देखिए अरब्स हमस बहुत खाते हैं, सफेद चने, तिल, तो ये सारी चीजें में अच्छी प्रोटीन होती है। और 30-40 से 50 ग्राम प्रोटीन अगर दोपहर रात तक मिल जाए तो इनफ है, एडिक्वेट है। एंड वी इन दीज डेज डोंट प्लाउ फील्ड्स, वी डोंट गो टू वॉर, कोई लेबोरियस काम नहीं है, तो फिर क्या जरूरत पड़ती है इतनी प्रोटीन की? बट फॉर दोज हु आर इनटू बॉडी बिल्डिंग, for those who exercise like animals, for those who work very hard laborious work, तो उनको प्रोटीन की जरूरत है। Protein is important for immunity, but we should cut the madness about the protein. And yes, for those vegetarian who really want to supplement protein, there are plant-based protein available, like hemp is available, green peas is available, brown rice. So there is a very good protein I came across, green peas, brown rice. And it is the company's Fast Enough. I just finished one box.
Okay.
And that is so easily digestible. Then I think On Nutrition ka honey oatmeal very very good, very very good.
Okay, okay,
I think
okay.
Amway के भी natural proteins available हैं. Okay, peas based. So if we resort to those proteins and छोटी मात्रा में अगर consume करते हैं twice a day, it's good. मगर अगर आप गाय का दूध लेते हैं, गाय की छाछ लेते हैं, गाय की मलाई लेते हैं, तो then it's good, good enough. So there is so much variety.
Of
अगर आप
natural protein, yeah.
अगर आप जानवरों से प्रोटीन की बात करें तो 4 जानवर खाते हैं. हमारे वहां प्रोटीन की 10-15 वैरायटीज है कि नहीं? And for
Correct.
those who are in the gray area, so what is the gray area? Gray area is eggs. So if you can really get eggs out of organic farms, where poultry is not abused, they live happily. They give eggs happily, clear cut. Their habitat is not like gutters. And they are not sick. They are not bunched together, compressed together. Hundreds in 10 feet. And they are out in the open, breathing, running around, eating fresh grass. I would say those free-range organic eggs would come in the gray area.
Okay.
But those who want to do complete clean eating, I'm a big fan of veganism.
Correct. Yeah, we
Big
will
fan.
actually come to that as well. Yeah.
And very soon I'm trying to get there. And I salute the vegan movement, Sharan. Sharan is a great vegan movement. And I salute them. So here we go.
Okay, great. So, Mickey, ये तो हुई प्रोटीन की बात. What about other nutrients, जो लोगों को again concern होता है, especially vitamin B12. और या फिर अगर आप vegan हैं, so not getting adequate amount of iodine या calcium. So उसमें, again, I don't know if there are misconceptions or what, but what are the right sources? Like I know mushroom में vitamin B12 होता है, if I'm not wrong. मतलब जितना मुझे, yeah. So what are the other things, Mickey, जो लोग खा सकते हैं? Because then people tend to take a lot of supplements. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, then they feel कि चलो, we'll take supplements for that. So how can we get that naturally?
So there are, mushrooms, jungly mushrooms are very good. And mushrooms are good. I like mushrooms a lot. I would say that once again, combination of the food that you eat is more important because these combinations put together fulfill your needs. So a good portion of nuts and seeds, sesame seeds, Rajgira,
Amaranth, right?
Amaranth.
Yeah.
Now, people don't know that when you combine all these with great other grains, which are complex and very healthy carbohydrates, like wild rice. So your wild rice and moong dal with vegetables like mushroom, broccoli, sweet potato. So all these combined with lots of moong ki dal and ghee can become a very potent meal of carbohydrates and protein. Now, ये B12 और D3, I mean ये पागलपन है. 200 साल पहले लोग बहुत, they were स्वस्थ और they were healed. स्वयं में स्थित थे, स्वयं में उपस्थित थे, स्वयं की उपस्थिति होती थी, साफ सुथरा खाते थे, पौष्टिक आहार लेते थे, विश्राम भी करते थे और विहार भी अच्छा होता था, जैसे कि एक्टिविटी, योग, प्राणायाम, ध्यान. तो ये पागलपन ऑफ विभाजन, इतने सारे एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं कि आप रोज देखोगे ये लिया क्या, वो लिया क्या. आप पौष्टिक, होलसम, होलिस्टिक, पौष्टिक, पूरक, टोटलिटेरियन व्यू. हमारी देसी टाट, हमारी जो देसी थाली होती है उसमें आयुर्वेदा के 6 गुण होते हैं, 6 स्वाद होते हैं और 6 स्वाद से स्वास्थ्य बनता है और उससे स्वस्थ बनते हैं. तो जैसे मीठा, सो स्वीट, सावर, सॉल्ट, ओके, स्पाइसी, astringent, bitter, pungent. अगर ये 7 पूरे हो गए, जो नॉर्मली एक अच्छी गुजराती थाली या पंजाबी थाली या केरलाई थाली या बंगाली थाली, very intelligently put things. So भाकरी, भात, वो अचार, वो एस्ट्रिंजेंट पंजेंट वाला भी फ्लेवर होना चाहिए. दही छाछ, काला नमक. There you go. And हमारे ज्वार और सर्दियों में बाजरा. विदेशी न्यूट्रिशन उसके नजदीक भी नहीं आता है. उनको मालूम ही नहीं ज्वार बाजरा के गुण, अमरंथ के गुण क्या है. राजगीरा और गुड़ की चिक्की खाओ, बच्चे को खिलाओ. शेंगदाने की चिक्की खिलाओ. मूंग दाल का हलवा खिलाओ, इतना पोटेंट है प्रोटीन में. मूंग दाल घी का हलवा बिकम्स अ मील. तो हमको ये क्या जरूरत है ये B12 और D3 और फैटी एसिड्स और ये पागलपन, ये vitamins और minerals? No. The Western science divides everything. The Eastern science synthesizes everything and makes it whole.
Correct, yeah.
So our understanding of Paushtitha gives you swasthatha gives you swast, and swast से निकले सूर, the notes of good health. सूर से बने जिंदगी एक संगीत, और वो संगीत से हम हो जाए तरंगित.
बहुत बढ़िया मिकी.
और स्वास्थ्य और सूर से बने स्वर्ग, हमारी जिंदगी स्वर्ग. क्योंकि सात्विक गुण, सत्वा, संस्कार, सात्विक गुण से बने सात्विक संस्कार. संस्कार से होता है जन्म संस्कृति का, और शायद संस्कृति के जन्म से हुआ जन्म संस्कृत का. और संस्कृत इज नॉट अ लैंग्वेज, इट इज अ विज्ञान, इट्स अ साइंस. Science of vibrations, science of life, science of manifestation, science of balance, harmony, आध्यात्मिक, मानसिक, भौतिक संतुलन. तो हमें मनुष्य से पुरुष होना है. मनुष्य मन का शिकार है, और जो मन का शिकार है वो प्रकृति को भी मार देता है. तो काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, माया, मत्सरा, ये मन की माया जाल है. और उससे हम हट के वैराग्य करके जब पुरुष बनते हैं तो पूरे बनते हैं, पूरक बनते हैं. और पुरुष से पुरुषोत्तम, उत्तम पुरुष का जन्म होता है. सो एवरी ह्यूमन इज अ गॉड इन सीड फॉर्म. कृष्णा, क्राइस्ट, महावीर, महादेव, मोहम्मद, ये सारे पुरुष थे. सो डिविनिटी इज अ प्रिंसिपल. वो प्रिंसिपल से आस्था का जन्म होता है, एंड आस्था से बड़े बड़े महारथी पुरुषों का जन्म होता है. सो दे बिकम द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ डिविनिटी, एपिसेंटर, एपिटोमी ऑफ डिविनिटी. बट डिविनिटी इज अ प्रिंसिपल. सनातन धर्म के जो सूत्र है, इट्स अ प्रिंसिपल, एंड उससे जन्म होता है पुरुषोत्तम का. So let's rise higher than gods and not fall below animals. Only human beings
Correct.
can become super conscious. Every human being is a flower in seed form, a fruit in sweet form, waiting to get fragrant, waiting to become sweet and colorful. So let's all become Krishnas, Christ, Buddhas, and find our own individual path of blossoming of divinity for infinity, for eternity, for humanity.
Very well said, Mickey.
And for
Thank you.
immunity, and for immunity.
Yeah, so we'll come to immunity now, since we already were talking about immunity. So Mickey, हम लोग हमेशा जब भी immunity की बात करते हैं तो हमेशा food पे focus करते हैं कि हमें ये खाना चाहिए, वो खाना चाहिए. But we kind of tend to forget कि healthy hydration बहुत important है. कि drinking water या फिर other healthy beverages, seasonal beverages, sattu, juices, smoothies. So we kind of, most of us tend to forget that angle. Completely. कि हम सिर्फ खाते रहेंगे, ये खा लो, वो खा लो. But how important is healthy hydration for boosting immunity, Mickey?
So when we talk about Paushtik Ahar in Ayurveda principles are the best. It's the constant which cannot change. So scientific principles keep changing, right today, wrong tomorrow, good today, bad tomorrow. But Ayurveda and yoga are the constants. Okay, so when we say पौष्टिक आहार, it means खाना पीना और श्वास और योग. तो there are compatible foods of vegetables कि किस फ्रूट को किस वेजिटेबल के साथ जूस बना सकते हैं और नहीं कर सकते. Because if they are not compatible, तो indigestion हो सकता है. ज्यादा हानिकारक तो नहीं होगा, मगर things of, because if it is not regional, seasonal, उसमें भी problem हो सकता है. So try to be mono fruit juice or mixed vegetable juices. So fruit में you can mix the pulps, all the pulp family.
Okay.
Or you can mix the citric family. You understand?
Got it.
And vegetables में you can take all the seasonal vegetables. So कई vegetables high in fiber and some vegetables are high in juice. So mix them both. Mix the 7 colors of rainbow. और आप खुद इंद्रधनुष की तरह कलरफुल हो जाओगे और उससे विद्युत निकलेगी, एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बायो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पैदा होगी, है? राइट?
करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली मिकी. सो अभी हम लोग सुपर फूड्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे, जहां आप बोल रहे थे कि हम सब स्पेशली द यंगर जनरेशन मिकी इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द वेस्टर्न सुपर फूड्स. तो अगर आप बात करें चिया सीड्स, असाई बेरी, or lot of other superfoods which are actually not Indian origin. So especially younger generation and हमारे जो grandparents के ज़माने में they used to focus a lot on the local and locally available stuff in India. So अगर आप बोले सत्तू, जवार, अमरंथ, ये सब, but ये सारी चीजें अब वापस आ रही हैं इंडिया में. लेकिन अभी भी जो यंगर जनरेशन है, दे आर स्टिल शिफ्टिंग देयर फोकस टुवर्ड्स वेस्टर्न सुपरफूड्स. तो ऐसे कौन से सुपरफूड्स है मिकी? आई नो कपल ऑफ देम, इवन आई यूज देम पर्सनली. सो वी हैव सत्तू ड्रिंक एवरी डे, या फिर इवन सुपरफूड्स लाइक अमरंथ, या बाहर का सुपरफूड है किनुआ, जो वेस्टर्न है, इंडियन नहीं है. सो सब लोग किनुआ खाना चाहते हैं, चिया सीड्स खाना चाहते हैं, बट इंडियन सुपरफूड्स जो है उनको हम लोग भूले जा रहे हैं अब वो, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वापस आ रहे हैं. तो आप इस पे थोड़ा सा हमें बताएं मिकी, ताकि इवन द यंगर जनरेशन नोस दैट दे शुड नॉट रियली फोकस ऑन वेस्टर्न वंस so much.
Let me focus on certain superfoods most don't consider superfoods, which I consider superfoods. Suran. Suran को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Suran is it that आलू जैसी जो चीज होती है?
I don't know. सूरन होता है जो बहुत ही पौष्टिक है.
कोई हमें अगर कमेंट सेक्शन में मैसेज कर दे सूरन का इंग्लिश.
हाँ, और दूसरा शकरकंदी,
या स्वीट पोटैटो मिकी,
पिंक कलर का,
हाँ,
एंड पंपकिन सीड्स, वो तो ऑफ कोर्स सब मानते हैं. सो हमारे जवार बाजरा का दलिया बनाओ, बहुत पौष्टिक. अच्छा, लाल चावल का पोहा कभी खाया है?
खाया मिकी, हम लाल चावल का पोहा ही खाते हैं.
उसमें आई गिव यू कॉम्बो. ग्रीन पीस, गाजर, शेंगदाना, काला चना, फ्रेंच बीज, धनिया, my god, and combination of sweet potato and normal potato, otherwise potato. It becomes the most potent meal. Forget breakfast. See, I'm drooling. So हमारे वहाँ जो देसी सुपर फूड्स है, उसमें हमारे जो अमरंथ है, जवार है, बाजरा है, चने हैं. जैसे मिस्सी रोटी का कॉन्सेप्ट अभी बाहर जाके देखते उन लोग मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड बनाते हैं.
करेक्ट. या
हमारी मिस्सी रोटी जो हो, इतनी पौष्टिक सर्दियों में खाते थे, और उसके साथ अगर गुड़ और घी, तो वो सुपर डुपर फूड हो जाता है. और उसके साथ एक ग्लास छोटा सा दूध, उसमें केसर घी, और दूध अगर नॉट वेरी हॉट, लूकवार्म हो, तो शहद. Oh my God, superfood. So superfood by Western science, how they are putting across a very different perspective than how Ayurveda looks at superfood.
Correct.
Your thali can become a superfood thali. You know, so what in this lockdown, I invented a very good recipe. So rajma, then वो one eye beans, वो चौला बोलते हैं ना, चौला, you know, white color का beans होता है.
या लोबिया या चौलाई. लोबिया भी
Cholai.
बोलते हैं, चौलाई
Yeah,
भी, या.
cholai. That, then masoor, that black lentils,
Correct, या. हाँ.
and yellow lentils. ये 4 चीज को बराबर से उसको उबालो. हाँ, फिर या तो उसको स्टीम करके अच्छे से पकाओ, बहुत अच्छे. फिर उसको ब्लेंड कर दो. उसको ब्लेंड करके उसको शैलो पैन फ्राई, you know, रोस्ट करो. What a fine protein superfood. And go east, go west, veg pulao dal is the best.
Yeah.
Okay, so Western superfoods mein I like asparagus a lot. We should not deny that. So I like shiitake mushrooms. Western superfoods mein I like quinoa salads. So there is, because see, foods grow regionally.
Correct.
And as per the demography, the divine has cultivated a lot of fruit here and there. Avocado, it's superb. It's a great vegetable with great protein and great all benefits, and it's green. It's nice. So you know, the other day we made an avocado salad with steamed peanuts, with chickpeas, and we put some chopped celery, and of course it was not like guacamole. We put tomatoes.
Wow.
And it became, and lots of dhania. It became a perfect food. And once I tried avocado with quinoa, very good, very good, and grated cabbage, super.
Wow.
आपने कभी कॉलीफ्लावर के कटलेट खाए? कॉलीफ्लावर को स्टीम करके उसमें कोकोनट मिल्क डाल के उसको ब्लेंड करके उसको वो सूजी में लपेट के करके उसको एकदम रोस्ट. You can shallow roast it.
I will try that for sure, Mickey. I'll try. मैंने कॉलीफ्लावर के पकौड़े जरूर खाए हैं, तले हुए. हाँ.
अगर वेजिटेरियन चाइनीज में मुझे कुछ पसंद है, I love cauliflower Manchurian.
Gobi Manchurian, yeah, correct. I think that's my favorite as well.
और cauliflower chili garlic. Beauty.
Great. So, Mickey, ये तो हुई food की बातें. You know, we'll quickly also. So, I'll just remind our viewers कि towards the end of the session, we have a live Q&A session with Dr. Mickey Mehta. So, आपके जो भी सवाल हैं, जो आप Dr. Mickey Mehta से पूछना चाहते हैं, please आपके comment section के बगल में Q&A का tab होगा छोटा सा, वहाँ पे अपने जाके questions लिख दीजिए. Comment section में मत लिखिएगा, Q&A वाले में लिख दीजिएगा जरूर से. So anyway, Mickey, so I'll quickly come that you are also the pioneer of green workouts. Equipment-free green workouts in India and holistic health. So, Mickey, वो long run में कैसे, working out without weights, how is it more beneficial to the body in the long run rather than, focusing just on hardcore weight training or working out with equipment? I know even Miss India days में हम लोग equipment-free workouts करते थे. आप हमें beach पे ले जाते थे workout कराने या swimming pool के अंदर हम लोग workout करते थे. So I think that has really helped me in the long run. So if you could just let our viewers and followers also know about it, Mickey.
So yesterday was my 59th birthday, and also it was my 50th glorious years of starting yoga.
Correct, yeah.
I started when I was 8 years old. Okay. And so for me, as I said, Western superfoods are not a no-no. I'm open to the best of this universe. I'm not a fanatic vegan, but I respect veganism for those who've reached there. So, if one does 70-80% of yoga, or you can call it functional, you can do a little functional training, Pilates, yeah? And if you can do 20% of weights, light weights, tubes, it's okay. But for women, generally, I tell them, try not to do weights. Try to do as much functional body weight, Pilates, and as much without equipment. And if at all, you can use TheraBands, you can use tubes. That's it. So, मेरा बोलना ये होता है कि be recreational in your workout. Your workout should be a celebration, not a punishment. And working out is romancing your own self. And every workout is so much getting involved into your own being, and it's so much fun. You know, when we say food is orgasmic, we can say a workout is also orgasmic. Because it's a different high and intoxication. A day without a workout will not make me comfortable eating a morsel of my lunch.
Absolutely, yeah.
तो कभी भाग दौड़ में होता है ना, तो मैं शावर में भी कर लेता हूँ 15-20 मिनट कर लेता हूँ squatting, stretch, crunching, and squeezing and getting into a posture, sitting, बैठ के शावर लेना. So I do many things. तब जाके कुछ तो भी एक एक ठहराव रहता है कि अच्छा है. When satiety comes, without that it's एक नशा है. So फ्री एंड वर्कआउट का जो नशा है वो वेट ट्रेनिंग में नहीं है. कई साल पहले मैं योग के साथ साथ बहुत हेवी फ्री हैंड ट्रेनिंग करता था when I did my black belt in martial arts. And in those days, I used to be like, if you see my forearms, this comes out of that. I mean, my genetics are also very favorable because I'm a typical mesomorphic. But those days I used to do super heavy weight training. And these days I've brought it down to 10%. And that too, I focus more on pulling myself up, parallel bar, doing a lot of handstand push-ups. It's fun. So do your workouts, do your weight training, but keep a ratio of 70-30.
Okay.
And when you eat your food, keep your ratio of raw between cooked. First of all, don't cook your food and mutilate it. Make your food as much as possible. So food should be 60-40 or 50-50. Raw versus.
Okay. रॉ में एक और कंसर्न रहता है मिकी, जो लोग obviously organic नहीं खरीद पाते, they are also concerned about the pesticides and the chemicals that are used, so they kind of tend to avoid raw food a lot. So बहुत लोग जैसे एप्पल भी खाएंगे, जैसे एप्पल का सारा फाइबर उसके छिलके में है, तो वो छिलका निकाल के खाएंगे एप्पल को या कुछ, but because they are so concerned about the chemicals that probably they'll be taking inside them. So उसमें because a lot of people cannot get a hold of organic food या grow their own food at their own place. So उसमें मिकी क्या करें? Because उसमें फिर fiber loss होता है बहुत. They don't get adequate nutrition.
So if you go onto the net, you'll find various ways of cleaning your food. So there is one way I've discovered that you can soak your vegetables for half an hour. After washing them, running water lots, then soak them in lots of pepper.
Okay.
Pepper, rock salt. So high amount of pepper and salt, ginger powder.
Okay.
To a great extent will wash your vegetables well. Just now there is on the other day I saw on television, ITC has come out.
Yeah, Neem wash.
Wash. My very good friend Sanjeev Kapoor is promoting it, and when I spoke to him, he said that it's very natural and nice. So you can do that. So there are ways of doing it. See, there are certain things we cannot escape, like the modern world of fertilizers, etc. Even if the farm is 100% organic, but 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers away, if there's a factory, और वहां से उसके पानी नीचे से जा रहे तुम्हारे फार्म के नीचे से. So you can't control everything.
Correct.
So, but what is within yourself is eat bread for breakfast, soak yourself in the sun, have lots of herbal juices and herbal teas. Do your vyayam, do your pranayam, do your yoga, do your dhyan. These are the things which can make you live forever and forever without disease, without ailments. Pida Mukt, रोग मुक्त जीवन or maran mukt जीवन. Because death only comes to disease, not to life
Absolutely, yeah.
force. You can decide, okay, now I've contributed enough, I've fulfilled my journey, my purpose of life is done, my mission accomplished. So now I will take my family on board with me and I will stop eating. Then once I stop eating, the lust for food and the lust for sex and the lust for this world, other world is gone. And lust of all connections of love and emotions are gone. Once you can really override your hunger pangs, your appetite, then you stop drinking water. Then all the further mental connections are severed. Once you can rise above not drinking water at all, then you will sit still and metabolize, process your mind to ultimate stillness, where a smile and complete detachment, vairagya, distancing from desires and not social distancing. Ritambara pragya happens to you. The constant truth, eternity, and you will choose when to let go your breath. That's the ultimate yoga. And you will transmigrate, transform, reform, and let go of your body. Exit your body happily with all your, and that in Jainism is called samsara. Ichha mrityu, ichha jivan. Let not disease and ailments determine your death.
Correct.
And that is ichha jivan. Then you can choose to become a fragrance of a flower, or a sweetness of the fruit, or disappear into thin air, or just become Sakshi, the eternal spirit, or choose a womb to come back and serve this earth again.
Absolutely, Mickey. Mickey, so, I'll just let you, आप उस समय सूरन का English word पूछ रहे थे, तो उसको yam बोलते हैं English में.
Yam बोलते हैं? चलो अच्छी बात.
हाँ,
Thank you.
yam बोलते हैं.
So,
So,
in 1982 or 83, I had done a certification program of nutrition with Dr. Vijaya Venkat and Kavita Mukhi.
Okay.
India's first very well organized natural nutrition program. Very well. It was done at KC College. So they were superb. Dr. Vijay Venkat's daughter, Anju Venkat, still runs the Health Awareness Center. And Kavita Mukhi now separated, but still does super business with farmers markets and so many things. So buy your food from farmers market as much as possible. Sharan in Bombay does lot of farmers market, lots.
Yes, I'm aware of that, yes.
And Sanjeev Kapoor's sister-in-law, I forgot her name, and Captain Pinto, they do some phenomenal job. And natural food and natural snacks and natural jams and natural juices and ice creams and superb.
Great, Mickey. Mickey, so before we move on to our Q&A session, मेरा last सवाल ये होगा कि आप हमको so food की बातें हो गई, सब कुछ हो गई. In general, because you're also a holistic guru, Mickey, so in general, for us to lead a better, a happier, a healthier lifestyle, what is it that we should follow? What are the discipline? Like, I know that getting up early in the morning, see the sunlight, walk on grass, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो food से भी ज्यादा important है. तो थोड़ा सा मिकी इसके बारे में बताइए, how we can change our life, feel better about ourselves, about the people around us, be more calm in life. थोड़ा सा मिकी इसके बारे में भी.
Yeah. So everything that divides you, like the concrete blocks of your rooms, your homes, your offices, will not promote wholesome, holistic health as much time spent in the lap of nature. So that is the word rejuvenation, the word revitalizing yourself, the word energize, naturalize, only happens when you sit in the lawns, sit under trees, absorb the environment, take so much of sun, look at the full moon and connect with it, look at the stars and the planets and connect with it. And even if you cannot walk on lawns, try this. Imagine with your eyes shut, you're walking on lawns. 60%, 70% benefit you will get. As when you imagine that you're eating a lovely aloo paratha, raal tabakne lagti hai. That means your body is metabolizing that fact. And it is living that experience. So same chemistry happens. This is the beauty of consciousness. This is the beauty of consciousness. So sankalp se srishti, sankalp se siddhi. Imagination is a very powerful tool of human beings. And positive use of imagination is creativity. Negative use of imagination is stress.
Got it, Mickey. So, Mickey, we'll quickly move on to the Q&A session. We have got a couple of questions here. I'll just take them, whichever is possible. So, I'll actually take this. I'm sharing this. So, this is shared by Anjali. She's asking, what is a good vegetarian diet for autoimmune diseases? So, Mickey, actually, even I'm quite aware of autoimmune diseases because I myself suffer from one. And I know कि कोई क्योर नहीं होता मेडिकल उसमें, तो क्या डाइट से हम लोग इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं? Just get it under control. I know कि it can't really be fully cured, but can we get it under control just by following a good diet?
Oshima, सबसे पहले you must know कि ऐसा कोई हालात नहीं है जिसका हल नहीं है. ऐसी कोई समस्या नहीं है जिसका समाधान नहीं है. हम वो देखने के लिए चूक जाते हैं. So as I told you earlier, that meditation nourishes you a lot. It gives you loads of akasha, ether. It nourishes you with ether. And ether is a great healing factor. Okay? So what happens is, whenever you have food which are completely, I would say, colorful, juicy, and full of vitality, there is one such food I know. Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
आजकल तो सीजनल भी आ रहा है मिकी, अभी सीजन चल रहा है, fresh pomegranate आ रहा है.
And the reference of pomegranate is in very many spiritual scriptures. So pomegranate juice, very, very good. चबा के खाना. Tulsi leaves. So जितने भी autoimmune disorders हैं, gradually can be corrected with a combination of loads of meditation, very low decibel chanting. I have fixed autoimmune disorders plus so many cancers and HIVs and chronic asthmas, and you know that irritation with touching the metal and you get. So with some people who just don't listen, they'll never get fixed. But some people, when I say that do a 2-day raw, 1-day cooked, then do a 3-day raw, 1-day cooked. So I put people there through cycles.
Okay.
Then when I tell them that sit 2 hours in the early morning sun, do Abhyangam, do Shirodhara, do Nasyam, vital nose drops, Brahmin ke nose drops, do Vaman, do Virechan. दुनिया की ऐसी कोई बीमारी नहीं है जो ठीक नहीं हो सकती है. So I work with super challenging conditions where doctors give up and say not more than 4 to 6 months. Today, those people are living for 12, 15, 17, 18 years. So work with nature, work with natural therapists.
Okay, Mickey, great. So, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है एल्थिया से, पूछ रही है कि आपने मेंशन किया था वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट को मिक्स नहीं करना चाहिए स्मूदी में, बट शी यूजुअली मिक्सेस बीटरूट, जिंजर विद टोमेटो, एप्पल एंड पोमेग्रेनेट. So she wanted to know about this कि is she doing the right thing or she should just kind of focus on vegetable का separate smoothie or fruit का separate smoothie.
See, apple, beetroot and carrot is a very popular ABC juice.
Correct. Yeah. Huh.
So it's a great combo. It's a great combo. You can put pomegranates also. Just avoid the pulpy sweet fruits to go with citric. So vegetables and citric fruit, doable, very doable. Okay. So when you make your smoothies, try a smoothie of avocado and chiku, avocado, ripe bananas, and see the maja. Too good.
Okay, great. So Althea, that answers your question. I'll take this question from Anamika. She's asking, please suggest yoga for severe back pain.
So, first of all, stretching and straightening yourself in Tadasana. Doing your slow, very slow, rhythmic bends, twisting, side bends, very slow. Then pivoting your hip on its axis. So right to left and circles, left to right. Then very gentle forward, backward bending, very gentle, 10-15% to start with. Then 30-40%. Then very gradual Bhujangasana, very slow. Remember, only as much as your body allows you move. Don't move beyond the point of stop. That is the true way of doing yoga. Never push yourself. And then you can get into Ulta Naukasana, then you can get into Dhanurasana. Super.
Okay, so I'll take this question from Jitin. वो पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या मिल्क और डेयरी हमको स्लो कर देती है? कि ये एक्चुअली बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं, लाइक इवन आई फील कि जब लाइक आई एम लाइक अ वीगन नाउ, बट मुझे लगता है कि somehow जब मैं भी दूध और डेयरी डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स लेती थी तो थोड़ी बॉडी इट डिडंट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी एक्टिव, थोड़ी लेथार्जी होती थी, सुबह उठने का मन नहीं करता था, आलस आता था. तो क्या इज इट द ट्रूथ और इज इट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द मिल्क दैट प्रॉब्ली दैट वी यूज दैट मेक्स अस स्लो?
So, if you really have bhais ka doodh, which is like full of good fat, wholesome milk, तो certainly it will make you very sluggish क्योंकि उसको digest करने की क्षमता हमारे में इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. तो उसको तो 3 घंटे, एक गिलास दूध को 3 घंटे तो लग ही जाएंगे. मगर आप अगर 1 गिलास दूध गाय का दूध लेते हैं तो शायद 1-1.5 घंटे में सेटल हो जाता है. हाँ, सो दूध के गुण है और गाय के दूध से संस्कार भी मिलते हैं हमको. थॉट के संस्कार, भावनाओं के संस्कार. तो नेचुरली हैवी मिल्क पियोगे तो इट विल बी हैवी, इट विल स्लो यू डाउन. छाछ पियो, छाछ 20 parts of water, 1 part of दही. दूध को डाइल्यूट करके पियो, 3 parts of water, 1 part of milk. उसमें थोड़ा इलायची जायफल डालो, so digestion becomes easy.
अच्छा, okay. So Mickey, I'll take this next question, which is there's so many questions actually.
Yoga for puffy eyes.
yeah, ये comment section में है. So anyway, ये question गौरी मॉडल. हाँ, so Mickey, yoga for puffy eyes. I know हम सबके puffy eyes रहते हैं अक्सर. So योगा या डाइट कुछ आप रिकमेंड करेंगे puffy eyes के लिए?
योग निद्रा, ध्यान, प्रैक्टिसिंग साइलेंस, शवासन और रात की नींद अच्छी हो. 10:30 तक 11 तक सो जाइए. Hydrate yourself well and eat a lot of alkaline food. Externally, put a lot of cucumber, grated cucumber, and cold water splashes, and be calm. I've dealt with very many people with erratic minds also having puffy eyes. And a lot of water retention, people with puffy eyes. And bad eating habits. Non-vegetarian and lots of preserved, processed. So one ailment needs correction from 360 degrees, holistic approach. But meditation, dhyan, shavasana, yoga nidra, good night sleep, cold water splashes, cucumber on the eyes for a long time. Acha, pure rose water, drops or in muslin muslin cloth, chill water में put on your eyes. ये सारी चीजें में help.
Okay, Mickey. So I'll take this question from Kushal. She's asking, what are the most important things to get started with holistic living?
Simple 4-5 minutes exercise every day. Regulate your sleep time every day. Try to eat more vegetables and fruits every day. Simple ways. And holistic health mein, try help people every day. Try to make people laugh. You also laugh. Sing every day. It's very simple. Take little sunshine every day. Look at the open sky every day. Hug as many people every day. Love is the single most creative energy. Share that every day. So simple.
Great. So we have the next question from And All That Dance. She's asking, is there anything in yoga or food which helps in focus, improving our focus, Mickey?
You just sort out your food which is sattva gun, paushtik, shakahari. It will less or agitate your mind, less temperamentalness, because it will not irritate you from inside. And sleep very well every night and do postures very well. Enjoy your postures. Be in the posture. It will make you tolerant. It will make you patient. It will give you resilience. It will give you tenacity. It will give you objectivity. It will increase your subjectivity. And Bhujangasana is very good. Dhanurasana is very good. Tadasana up on the toes is very good. So, yeah.
Okay, we don't have much time left, Mickey. We'll quickly take this last question.
Yep.
Actually, I think it's just showing. It might end anytime. Anyway, I'll just come back. So this is question from Bhumika Gupta. How do we control cravings of sweets and fried food even after being aware it's unhealthy to eat? So I think that is something in the mind, Mickey. So
sweet में तो हल अच्छा है.
Sorry, Mickey. I think I wasn't aware that Instagram actually allows just 1 hour session. But बातों में बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चला कि 1 घंटे के ऊपर हो गया. So Mickey will quickly get back to it. जो last question, I can't see the questions now, but वो जो last question था वो actually we all go through that last question जो भूमिका गुप्ता ने पूछा कि हमको पता भी है कि वो चीज अनहेल्दी है, हमें नहीं खानी चाहिए, फिर भी क्रेविंग होती है उस चीज को खाने की, मिकी. सो उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करें? मतलब माइंड भी ना थोड़ा सा मतलब अक्सर कंट्रोल नहीं हो पाता है. तो आप बताएंगे?
So I would say मनुष्य का मन बहुत चंचल है. तो of course स्वीटनेस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए आपको गुड़, शहद का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Dates, all the sweet dry fruits and all the sweet fruits, then the craving will go down. So मुझे भी चॉकलेट अच्छी लगती है. मुझे कैडबरी की सिल्क बहुत अच्छी लगती है. हाँ, मुझे अमूल की डार्क चॉकलेट बहुत अच्छी लगती है, 70% डार्क. But I fulfill myself with so many other sweets and chocolates. So many other honey and गुड़ वाली मिठाई. तो मैं उससे तृप्त हो जाता हूँ. तो इसकी क्रेविंग कम हो जाती है. Then there is brown sugar, cane sugar available.
Correct, हाँ.
हाँ. और दूसरी बात कि chew a lot. When you're eating a मिठाई लड्डू, इतना chew करो कि chewing में satiety आ जाती है. अब धपाधप सब निगल जाओगे, so then you will not get fulfilled in your mind. The signals will not work. So that's the way. Fried की अगर craving है, तो खाओ fried और उसके साथ salads बहुत खाओ.
Okay.
And choose a very good oil. Cold press coconut, cold press shengdana, groundnut, cold press sesame. जिससे you must imagine जिससे तेल निकल सकता है. अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं है कि चावल का तेल निकलता है कि नहीं.
ये मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है कि.
So we don't know. It may be कुछ होगी टेक्नोलॉजी, मगर जो चीज से सेंसिबली पता चलता है कि जिसका तेल निकलता है, तो उसके नेचुरल ऑयल्स खाएं
Okay.
और
Okay.
ऑलिव ऑयल में कुछ कुक ना करें क्योंकि ऑलिव ऑयल
Okay.
चेंजेस इट्स प्रॉपर्टी आफ्टर 40 degrees.
Acha. Okay. Okay. We were not aware of that, Mickey. Thank you for enlightening us.
And olive oil is for countries abroad. यहाँ पर you know वो सर्दियों में ऑलिव ऑयल अच्छा है, गर्मियों में ऑलिव ऑयल इतना अच्छा नहीं है, मगर to drizzle on salad it's okay.
ओके सो मिकी एक वैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, पता नहीं आपके पास इतना टाइम है कि नहीं, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन ले सको या फिर या ओके ग्रेट
बिल्कुल
सो ये एक्चुअली ओके सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम आसिया शी इज आस्किंग कैन डायबिटीज बी क्योर्ड थ्रू डाइट एंड व्हाट फूड्स वुड बी बेस्ट फॉर दिस
Of course diabetes can be cured with diet, rather it can be healed with diet. Why do we use the word cure? Medicines cure, but nature always heals.
करेक्ट या
So diabetes लोगों के लिए turn as much raw. I would say 70-80% raw. Or mornings में lots of herbal tea. And first lots of fruits at 10-11 when your hunger really peaks. And then after 2 hours, one bowl of salad, raw. And then after an hour, some food. So this practice has worked with me with many patients of mine. But subah sham 20 minute mobility, 30 minutes walking around, circling your arms, simple yoga asanas, some breathing and pranayam works wonders. And the best what works for diabetes is sleep, good night sleep. So of course it works. Of course it works.
एंड मिकी बहुत सारे लोगों का ये भी मानना है कि डायबिटीज सिर्फ अनहेल्दी डाइट से नहीं होती है बट इवन स्ट्रेस इज अ बिग ट्रिगर फॉर
बिल्कुल।
डायबिटीज
Which is why I said कि do अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. सिर्फ शांति में बैठ जाओ ध्यान पूर्वक तो उससे तनाव विसर्जित हो जाता है, होलनेस आ जाती है, you become healed again, you get healed again.
Got it, Mickey. I think that's all. You have actually given us very precious time of yours. Thank you so much, Mickey.
Thank you so much.
You know, it's been an absolute delight and pleasure for me and the entire team at Vector, all our viewers. So I would request all the viewers to just go right away and follow Dr. Mickey Mehta's page, Instagram, and all the other social media handles that he has. And yes, he will keep inspiring us and motivating us. Yeah, thank you so much, Mickey. Absolute pleasure, absolute delight. And we look forward to having you again on our show sometime soon.
Thank you, Oshima. So before we leave, let me tell the audience that live as natural as possible, live as wholesome as possible, and live as soulsome as possible. And be awesome then. And so for this, after this, you can get naturalized, energized, maximized, optimized, internalized, eternalized, evolutionized, revolutionized, specialized, revitalized, regularized, in holistic health initialized, all negativity neutralized to get Mickey-mized.
Perfect. So yeah, all of you can get Mickey-mized. Please join, follow करें Dr. Mickey Mehta को. कोई भी question हो, you can always, you know, kind of message him on Instagram, wherever, and I'm sure his team will get back to you. And yeah, thank you so much, Mickey. Have a great Sunday ahead.
Super. Thank you, folks. Join me on my Insta, Facebook, Twitter handles. And Oshima, very grateful to you. Hope I can see you soon in Delhi. In Delhi,
yes,
we'll meet again.
Yes, absolutely.
And keep in touch.
I will.
Good luck. Record all this and send it to me. Thank you. Bye.
I will for sure. Thank you so much.